brick chicken. Yes, I said bricks. We got the bricks here. Put a little tin foil on it. Put it right on top of your chicken breast. Gonna make it crispy on the outside and oh so juicy on the inside. But first, a little rub for you, real simple. A little cumin here, very nice. Some coriander for some more flavor. Very simple to do. And what's your name, sweetheart?
Amber.
We're gonna spice it up with some dried chilies right here. Dried chilies in there. And son, what's your name? Hey, Quinn, nice to meet you, brother. Hey, do you like cinnamon toast in the morning? Who doesn't like cinnamon toast in the morning? Gonna put a little cinnamon here. We want a little sweetness to it, so put that in there. A little salt and pepper over here. Very easy, I like it easy. Oh, hey, Jenna, I do need some chicken. I certainly do. And you can see right here that the chicken breasts, they still have the skin on them. It's important to have it on there because when we put these bricks on top of them, just kind of squeeze that chicken skin right down into the barbecue, crisp it up, and keep all those juices nice running throughout that meat. Beautiful there. So we're simply just gonna take the rub right here, pour it in. Okay, what happens here? I need some help here. Amber, can you help me out? Can you just kind of hold that, just keep it on there, just kind of rub that together there. Rub it all in there, get all this in there, okay? See, you can do this with your kids at home. Barbecuing is a family sport. Don't be shy with it, okay? Get it in there, create some micro pockets, tears the fiber in the meat, and infuses the meat in those chicken breasts with all that rub. Put this right back in here. Put some cilantro in here for some nice flavor. Some garlic. Gotta love the garlic. Garlic and cilantro go back way back. A little lime right in here, squeeze it in there. You can get messy. You like getting messy, Quinn? I like getting messy when I barbecue and cook, all right? A little oil, a little extra virgin olive oil right here. Square it around. Now we can seal it up. Okay, Amber, now you can get busy on this with me, okay? Just get busy on that. And thank you so much, Amber. And this chicken now will go in the fridge for an hour, and then we're close to barbecue. On the grill. Gotta love it, gotta love it. Gotta have a clean grill. Oh yeah, need my chicken. Put those quickly on the grill. Notice how I put them skin side down. And now take your bricks, put them right on top. Nicely done. How easy is that? Time to do the flip. Taking the bricks off, flip them, check it out. Remember what we've been doing? We've been charring, we've been smashing those nice chicken skins into that top of that grill, charring them, making it real crispy on the outside. Oh, look at that. Does that look good? Huh? Does that look good? We are brick chickening right there. Medium high heat. Yeah, it looks good. Put the bricks back on. There we go. Trapping all those juices in there nice and crispy on the outside. And I can guarantee you 10 minutes and we are gonna put it in our belly. Yeah! Oh, look at that. That looks great. Come on. Look at that. Nice brick chicken.